Hello, bit of a different video this one for me for today. Just gonna go through a recent tele build that I've done. It's Northwest Guitars tele maple neck replacement one, 2-piece 1-pash body made by me. Pick guard set off Hudson Unique UK, really cool laser coat brass, and then I don't know what he does with them, but he ages them and they look really smart. Got the full set of them, including the neck plate. It's a through body, relic'd. It was a sunburst. I painted it sunburst first, and then the surf green over the top. Looked kind of blue in this light, which I like. Fender hardware everywhere else apart from the pickguards set. So Fender vintage tuners, Fender ashtray bridge with brass saddles. It's got a tusk nut, and then the pickups are Bare Knuckle Nomads. I wanted a bit of a hotter set because I play more rock and metal stuff. We'll do some clean tones through them. Anyone who probably watches guitar stuff on YouTube knows who Revere is. So yeah, I thought I'd give them a whirl. They were boutique-y pickups, are expensive, but the sound was what I wanted. I didn't want that really too Fender tele twangy sound, and these don't sound like that. It's got the 4-way mod on it, CTS ports, all cloth cable wiring and what have you, full size everything, and whether it makes a difference or not, who knows, but that's what's in. 4-way switches, front one is out of phase, second one in is the neck, third one across going back is standard tele in phase, I think, and the back one is the bridge. So I'm not going to run through every position. I'm just going to stay on the bridge pickup for this. I think I might do a bit on the neck, but I'm using a Spark 40, not a Spark 40, sorry, a Spark 2, which is the 50 watt second generation of the Sparks. With the app, I'm just going to run through the normal tones that are in the app. So this is the Blues Arc, which is based on a Fender Twin, I think. It's got a gate on it, a compressor, a true screamer, a bit of delay and reverb. Just the Blues Arc pre-setting in the app. Sounds really good. I will do a bit on neck one. Sounds good. Do more of a metal. Dual train, which is Mesa rectifier, I think. again, sounds good. Try a Crazy Cure. I think this is a GSM 100 Marshall. Sounds pretty good, to be fair. Let's turn that up a bit. So yeah, looks good, sounds good, really happy with the pickups, plays really nice. I did paint the neck in a vintage amber and then I've sanded it to look worn. Hopefully over time it'll go a bit more grey to get that extra worn in look. And yeah, it's super smooth. Scotch brighted this with 1000 Scotch pad, which is turns out really good. So yeah, but the just sounds really cool, man. Super happy with it. So this is the first of these style of videos I'm going to do. I'm going to do one for probably a couple of my guitars that I've modded and that I like the most, but this is the most recent one, so everything was fresh in my head. I thought I'd do a quick video on this. Hope you've enjoyed this style of video instead of me trying to practice stuff. So I just use simple chords and A minor pentatonic little riffs, little licks that I know, nothing super complicated. But I do like building stuff as well as learning, so I'm going to do some more videos like this, some more, I'll try and do a couple of build videos, and then I'm going to start doing a couple of like testing pedals. So I've got a few little pedal board with some decent-ish pedals on, so I'll run through a few of them tones with single coils, P90 guitars, humbucker guitars and what have you, and then hopefully it might help people out a bit. I'll carry on posting my learning videos and just to track my progress, which I do feel I'm getting a bit better, so we'll see how we get on and see which way it ends up going. I hope those of you who have subscribed, even if you don't enjoy it, thanks for subscribing. 29 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 35 next week. That'd be good. Small goals. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take it easy. And if you are new, please do just give me a little subscribe or a like, even if you don't watch any of the videos ever again. It all helps. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye now.